Here we have a football field chart that was put together using Macabacus quick charts, and it's showing 6 ranges of share price, each of which may be a different valuation methodology. So we have range 1 going from $6 to $10, range 2 from 8 to 12, and so on and so forth. But what if we wanted to add a single target band that shows what our conclusion might be based on all of these ranges? It's super easy to add a fully dynamic target band using Macabacus. Just select your chart with a left click, go into the Charts dropdown, and then select Target Band here. Let's move it to the side. And it remembers our last save settings, so we're going to use CFI Orange here with a slight transparent setting here at 75. This is just so that it doesn't interrupt with our data here and one can actually see the grid lines underneath it. And then for our bounds, this is really our share price target or our range that we want to be displayed by the target band. So we're going to go from a lower bound of 10, so $10 here, up to $13 here. So that's where you'll see that target band come in when we press OK. Macabacus does all the work for us, so it's now inserted along with some calculation cells here, a target band into this chart from $10 a share to $13. This is great if we want to present a conclusion based on all of these ranges. Of course, the native Excel way of adding in a target range is by inserting a shape, just a rectangle, to where you would like your target range to be, then really just right-clicking it, going into Format Shape, and then just taking down that transparency. That's the typical way of doing it, and then also removing the border, of course. However, this is not dynamic and would have to be updated each and every time your data changes, and it's very error-prone, so that is not the ideal way. Obviously, this Macabacus solution is much more dynamic and effective. It's also quick to set up. Join us in the next video, though, where we'll walk through how to set up some data labels here on our target band so that we actually have on our chart 2 labels saying $10 and then $13 up above, just to add some additional clarity. We think you'll find it really interesting, and it does involve a little bit of tinkering and setup. See you soon. Enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content? Then hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you over in the next video.